Hello friends, it's October month and the winter arc begins. And here's our new project, which is Arduino Smart Password Based Entry System. So as you can see, I'm entering the password, and when the password is wrong, the buzzer rings and it shows wrong password, please try again. And when I'll enter a right password, the barrier will get open. So without any further delay, let's begin. We have included servo.h, liquid crystal I2C.h, keypad.h, and the last but not the least, that is password.h as our files. I have defined buzzer at pin number 11, and that's the 16:2 LCD display. And here you can see we have to enter the password. Or the password you wish. So I am keeping the password as 6969. It's a 4-digit password. So I've kept it. Now let's verify the code and upload it. So now our project is ready. Now let's have a quick demonstration of this. So here is our car, and you can see on the screen it's enter password, and I'm entering a wrong password, and here the buzzer rings and it shows wrong password, please try again. And when I'll enter the right password, the barrier will get open. So I hope you like the video guys. Do give it a like, share it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.